Good morning, everybody!
Good morning!
Good morning, Per! Where are you going? Per!
Mom!
Yay! They're going to the mall. Jasper is going to the mall for the first time.
Uy, wow!
Uy,
Ato
wow.
na kay Per?
Wow, Per! He took off the mask. Sumilin! Uy, Sumilin! You guys excited to go to the mall? Sumilin! Excited? Asa na si Jisa? There's the mall. Yay! Everybody's going to the mall. Sige, paglakaw. Everybody's excited. Kamili. Samilin! Are you shopping around, Samilin? Rugi. Uy, Pir! Pir! After the mall, now taking the kids to the Capitol playground so they can play, and the adults are going to have chika-chika. Here's all my sisters.
Hello!
Here. What you guys got? Got some sweet bread. Marites here. Per, what's up? Per just woke up from his nap. We're hanging out at this area here because we like it. Look at all the, there's a bunch of trees lined up. We're having a snack. Cookies.
Please eat, guys.
Naing na. Naing na, ipakita.
Kusga ba? That's it, guys.
It's it, guys. Look at the kids just roaming around with their Aunt Mariben. Jasper in there walking. There's Samilin and Gisrel. Jasper! Come here! Here! Look at Jasper. La! Grabe saka si Jasper. What are you guys doing? Chika-chika?
Chika-chika. Chika-chika.
Oh no, they're going home.
Oh no, everyone going home. Oh no.
We're home. We just took the kids to their places and thank God Mariben is still here. We're not totally
here.
quiet now. Oh my gosh. Now you're able to watch TV in the living room again.
Yeah.
Because the kids were taking over the TV here.
No more kinko in the living room.
Yeah, they watch the cartoons because if you don't put it in cartoons, then they
They
will
get
running.
very bored. Yeah, they get
they
very bored.
There's only 3 of us here. Mariben in there busy eating chocolates.
Let's eat chocolate, guys.
I wanna know, honey, why you were coughing. What is the problem here?
It's called a dried fish cough.
It's actually not a dried fish, honey. It's a shrimp paste.
Oh, shrimp paste. Okay. The shrimp paste cough.
Oh my gosh. Mariben, let me check it out. I was just here reading the comments. What did you... Oh, this is the reason for the stinky shrimp paste. She is frying some shrimp paste with some eggs and
sardines.
Sardines. And now she's gonna cook some noodles with eggs. And Dennis over here cannot stop coughing.
Oh, my eyes are watering.
I was laughing when you said, oh, I thought it was a bathroom here. So sorry, honey. You have a Filipino wife and you have to deal with some of this stuff.
Yeah, I know. I don't have a problem with that.
I appreciate that you know you let me you
You
let
can
us cook the
Yeah, cook what you want.
yeah, you just have to sometimes endure the smell, the
Yeah,
stinky
well.
smell. We don't always cook the, you know.
I know. Yeah, you guys eat what you want.
The breakfast is now cooked. Our chef Mariben here as always.
I feel sorry for Dennis. That's why I said sorry for the smell of shrimp.
Honey, so sorry you cannot eat the breakfast and
You
plus
smell.
it's stinky.
Yum, yum. Save some for me.
So she is cooking these sardines here with eggs and these noodles with some. It's kind of like a weird recipe, but it's actually good. So let's eat breakfast, guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's eat, honey. Just woke up from our nap, and here we are again worrying about for snacks. So Mariben peeling up the banana, and I am now cooking it. This is called banana Q. So this is a Filipino dessert or snack actually. So
It's sweet to cook, guys.
Mariben is not even cooked yet and she already prepared for the pork. That's what it is. When it's done, it's gonna look like a caramelly brown and it's gonna look good. I'll actually have Dennis to eat it also. Honey, would you eat some banana Q?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
If it's got sugar on it, of course I'll eat it.
oh my gosh. See, you don't eat anything with no sugar in it.
I eat lots of things with no sugar. I like my stuff sweet. That's why I married you, baby.
I was gonna wash clothes today, but because of the very, very bad weather, like it's not raining hard, but it's just that it's sprinkling. We call it here Inday rain.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
you say? Inday.
Sprinkling.
Yeah, sprinkling rain, like not heavy rain, but
Yeah.
how can I wash clothes? It's not gonna get dry.
Well, yeah. You
I
can't.
can wash clothes, but it's not gonna get dry. I don't like that it doesn't get dry because sometimes it can be smelly. The
Take them
clothes.
to the laundromat.
I only take them there when it's necessary. But if I can wash it, I can. I will. But if we're busy or something like that, then.
Up to you.
Okay, I'll deliver the banana to you soon.
Okay. Thanks.
This is now cooked. Look at this. It's brown. Looking nice. Banana cube. She got some banana leaves. So it won't stick. You know. We're gonna have to cool this off before we're gonna eat it because it's so hot. Banana cube.
Robin snack from Philippines.
Yeah. Hoy, Mariben, why are you eating it already? I told you to wait until it's cool off.
I'm hungry. I didn't eat lunch.
She cannot wait. It's still very hot. I'm just gonna give some to Dennis when it's a little cool off. You ready, honey?
Yeah, sure am.
A banana Q came from the province
Banana
at my
Q.
parents,
Yeah.
peeled by Mariben, and
Oh,
cooked
wow.
by me.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it looks very good.
Hope you like it, honey. I put some sugar, not much sugar, but just some sugar.
Very good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, very delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Honey.
Wow. Let's eat, guys.
Very good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, honey, enjoy.
All right. Very good.
After the snacks, it's time to burn the calories. We need to pull some of the grass in the yard. We already pulled a bunch of them, but we need to finish this. Look at Mariben out there also. She's pulling the grass.
Hello.
Let's pull the grass, guys. While we were pulling the grass, I noticed my Java apple here. Look, they're all growing now. It was just flowers like few weeks ago. Look at this. Wow. Seems like there's bugs on it though. But they're growing big. Nice. We're gonna be able to harvest this fruit very soon. Look at all these bugs here. This is why the leaves are looking weird. Like the aphids, all the worms. And I think this one is a different bugs. Ladybugs, I think.
What are you guys doing out here?
We have been pulling the grass here for the last 2 hours and you did not know that?
No, I did not know that. Are you making some progress?
Well, yeah, as you can see, there was a bunch of grass here before. Now we're pulling it little bit at a time.
Let's see. Why don't you get a weed eater?
Seriously, you're gonna use a weed eater here?
Yeah, take 5 minutes.
Yeah, the weed eater, it's gonna grow back in 3 days.
Yeah.
At least if you pull the root, you know.
Yep. Okay, carry on. I'm done now.
You're done watching?
Yeah.
Okay.
Carry on.
Adios.
Adios.